India is set to commission new naval base near Andhra Pradesh by 2026 to bolster its strategic edge in Indian Ocean. The high-security facility is part of Project Varsha, which will house nuclear submarines with stealth access to the Bay of Bengal, avoiding enemy satellite surveillance. The Trump administration is considering drone strikes against cartels in Mexico as part of fight against drug trafficking across southern border. The U.S. military and CIA have sharply stepped up reconnaissance flights over Mexico in an effort to track activities of largest cartels that dominate fentanyl supply. A South Korean defense firm has released new footage, showcasing a mobile decoy system designed to resemble a real fighter jet and capable of transforming from a trailer into a full-scale aircraft replica within minutes. Lockheed Martin has officially delivered first TPY-4 radar system to U.S. Air Force, marking significant milestone in development of three-dimensional expeditionary long-range radar program. The TPY-4 radar is optimized to identify smaller, harder-to-detect targets even in environments compromised by electronic jamming.